Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit Picsart background. So, in order to do this, simply open your Picsart application and click on Edit a Photo button. Now, what you'll have to do is simply choose a picture that you want to edit the background for. Now first of all, we'll learn how to remove the background for this picture. Once your photo is uploaded, you'll have to simply click on the Remove BG button here. Now this will analyze the background and instantly remove the background for the picture. If you are not able to see the screen, that is because of the copyright policies of Picsart. Now you'll have to simply click on Remove BG and it will instantly remove the background for this picture. And basically you'll have to upgrade your premium plan in order to do this. Now we'll learn how to add a new background. To replace the background, scroll to the right and tap on Add Photo button. Now simply choose a picture, click on Add, and this will instantly upload a custom image from your library. Now in order to replace your background, what you'll have to do is simply adjust this image so it can fill up the background. Now after doing this, what you'll have to do is simply scroll to the right and click on Blend. Now when you click on Blend, you'll see different options where you'll have to choose a screen, multiply, darken, light, overlay, or something else. So by doing this, you can easily replace the background like that and it will add an effect for that. So if I'll want it, I'll simply click on tick icon and it will show up something like this. Also, if you would have removed the background of your subject, for example, this image, now to add a new background, you'll have to simply scroll to the right, click on Add Photo. Now after uploading the picture, you'll have to simply make sure that picture is fit on the screen. And after doing that, you will see that your subject just disappeared. Here what you're simply going to do is scroll to the right and click on Blend. Now you can choose screen, multiply, darken, light, overlay, or anything else. If you want some cool effects like this. Now after doing this, you can click on the layers icon here and take the layer that we just added and bring it down. After you do this, you will see that your subject is instantly appearing just at the top of the layer that you added. After doing that, you can easily explore Picsart filters and effects and add artistic enhancements that suit your photo style. Once satisfied with the edit, tap the download button to save your masterpiece and share it directly to social media or keep it in your gallery for future use. And that's how you edit a Picsart background. Experiment with different tools to create stunning visuals. If this guide was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. Thanks for watching.